In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a home location in Google Maps. So this will allow you to be able to get directions to and from your home by just a click of the button. And it will also show your home on the map as well as a pin. So here's how you can go ahead and do that. So what you need to do is open up Google Maps. Once you've got it open, go to your profile icon in the top right hand corner. Once you've done that, it will show you your Google account and you want to scroll down and go your data in Maps. After you've clicked on that, it will show you all of your data, it will show you your reviews, and if you scroll down here, you can go to home and work address. Here you can set your home address, you can also set a work address as well. So I'm going to click on home, and from here you can either type in your address or you can choose it on the map. Now just for the video's sake, I'm going to say my home is at the London Eye, and we're going to just choose this random address. I could choose this, I could then refine it by clicking choose on map, and you can kind of move this as you please. Let's say I live on the London Eye, so we can go ahead and click then save, and it's going to confirm that with the coordinates, and we can then click on done. So now we have essentially updated our home address. Now what I would do from here is refresh it, and then eventually you've got the coordinates, and then I would also close out of Maps and then reopen Maps. So here we are back in Google Maps. Now what I would do now is just go to your home and it should then show on the map. So I've just searched here London Eye, and as you can see it's now pinned and it says home. It should then start appearing here up at the top. If you click on search, here you can see you've got your home location, and if we were just to click on that, it will then try and give you directions from wherever you are. I'm not in the UK right now, so it's probably going to be weird, but that is how you can add your home and pin it. You can then click on the home icon, and again you can get directions, so that is how you would do it.